Hey everyone, welcome back to Vegiverse. Humanity is heading to Mars, mining asteroids, and maybe even bumping into alien life. It sounds like sci-fi, but it's not fiction anymore. Companies like SpaceX are pushing boundaries, bringing us to the brink of colonizing other worlds. But is this exciting leap forward a good idea? Or are we about to repeat Earth's worst mistakes on a cosmic scale? Today, we're diving deep into the ethics of off-world colonization. Who owns space resources? How do we govern new societies? What if we find life out there? This isn't just about rockets, it's about our moral compass. If you're into space, philosophy, or humanity's future, hit like and subscribe. Let's jump in. For thousands of years, we've dreamed of the stars. Now, thanks to reusable rockets and NASA's Artemis, we're planning to live on other planets. Visionaries like Elon Musk talk about making humanity multiplanetary. It's inspiring, but history shows exploration often comes with exploitation. Think colonialism, inequality, and conflict. Are we ready to handle that in space, or will we just export our problems to the stars? To understand this, we need to look at current rules. The 1967 Outer Space Treaty states space is for everyone. No country can claim the moon or Mars. It's the province of all mankind, with no nukes. But today, private companies buy space resources like lunar water ice or asteroid metals worth trillions. The treaty doesn't clarify if corporations can mine and sell these.
The U.S. Commercial Space Launch Competitiveness Act from 2015 allows American companies to own what they extract, without claiming the land itself.
Countries like Luxembourg have similar rules, and the Artemis Accords support this. However, Russia and China see it as a power grab, bypassing the UN. So, is this a fair system, or just finders keepers for the rich nations? This brings us to the celestial gold rush. Space is packed with helium, 3 on the moon, precious metals on asteroids, and water on Mars. It sounds like abundance, but without clear rules, it could spark conflicts. Imagine a race for the moon's ice-filled South Pole craters. If one entity monopolizes it, they control space travel, as water makes rocket fuel. Does this widen Earth's inequalities? Developing nations are left behind, while billionaires gain cosmic wealth. Critics call it a new form of colonialism, a playground for the elite. Proponents argue space tech offers benefits like better solar panels for Earth. Plus, becoming multiplanetary could save us from asteroids or climate doom. What do you think? Should we prioritize fixing Earth first, or invest in space as insurance? Philosophically, it's a battle. Utilitarians might say mining space resources creates the greatest good, easing Earth's scarcity. Deontologists focus on duties, like sharing benefits fairly or preserving space's natural state. Virtue ethics asks if this pursuit shows our best traits, like curiosity, or our worst, like greed. To avoid cosmic monopolies, we need global rules. Maybe treat space like the deep ocean. An international body licenses mining and taxes profits for a fund that helps all countries. That way, space truly benefits humanity, not just shareholders. Now, let's talk governance. Building societies on Mars isn't just about domes and oxygen. It's about laws, rights, and power. Early settlements might be corporate-run, like extreme company towns. Picture living where your boss controls your air, water, and even your contract back to Earth. Dissent? Good luck in a vacuum. This could lead to neo-feudalism, where rights take a backseat to survival. So, what models could work? A corporate enclave is efficient but undemocratic. A national outpost extends Earth's laws, but risks importing rivalries. An international zone, like Antarctica, promotes science and peace, but might not handle big populations. Ultimately, we want self-governing republics, democratic Martian states. But in isolation, with life or death stakes, authoritarianism could creep in. Psychological stress from confinement and distance might amplify conflicts. We need a new lex specialis, space law covering crime, property, environment, and even Martian-born kid citizenship. Crucially, avoid colonialism's traps, no exploiting colonies for Earth's gain, no imposing cultures rigidly. Plan for autonomy from day one, with stages to hand power to settlers. If we mess this up, could space become a dystopia instead of a utopia? Finally, the wild card. What if we're not alone? Discovering extraterrestrial life, even microbes, would blow our minds. It'd prove life isn't unique to Earth, shaking religions, philosophies, and our self-image. Ethically, we must protect it. The Prime Directive idea suggests non-interference. Alien life has intrinsic value. Contaminating it would be like destroying a priceless artifact. The precautionary principle says, when in doubt, don't mess it up. This means sterilizing spacecraft, avoiding special regions on Mars, and handling sample returns carefully to avoid bringing back something harmful to Earth. Planetary protection policies from COSPER already guide this, but colonization clashes with them. Humans aren't sterile. Settlements could leak Earth microbes, wiping out native life before we study it. So, should we delay permanent bases until we confirm Mars is lifeless? It's a tough call, multiplanetary survival versus preserving potential biospheres. If we find intelligent life someday, it'll test universal ethics, empathy across species. How we treat Mars microbes today sets the tone. Wrapping this up, the ethics of space colonization boil down to tensions. Our 1967 treaty is outdated. Economics drive progress, but risk overriding morals. And the human element, psychology and isolation, could make or break societies. We can't just wing it. Analysis shows we need proactive steps to avoid chaos. So, here's the blueprint for a moral future. Forge a new UN treaty addressing resources, governance, and protection. Include diverse voices, ethicists, historians, and global reps. Set up an independent body to regulate and mediate. Space offers a fresh start. Let's design it with justice, cooperation, and respect. If we do, future generations will thank us for building a cosmic civilization worth being proud of. What are your thoughts? Should we rush to colonize or hit pause for ethics? Drop a comment below, smash that like if this got you thinking, and subscribe for more deep dives into the future. Thanks for watching. See you in the stars.